yesterday we have done till type of vectors. Now today we will start with the topic multiplication of vector by a real number. That is, we are having a vector and what happens when we multiply that vector with the real number. So here we have considered a real number lambda. Lambda can take any value of the real number. When we multiply this lambda with a vector, we get a new vector which is equal to lambda times the first vector. Suppose here we have taken a vector A and we have multiplied the vector A with the real number lambda. We get a new vector B vector which is equal to lambda times the A vector. For example, we consider that we have A vector and we have put the value of lambda as 2. So if we put the value of lambda as 2, we will get a new vector B vector which is equal to twice the A vector. जो हमारा new vector आएगा B vector जो होगा lambda times A, lambda की value 2 है, तो जो हमारा vector होगा it will be 2 times the previous vector. वैसे ही हम lambda की value कुछ भी ले सकते हैं and we will get the value of B. Now next topic we will start with triangle law of vector addition and parallelogram law of vector addition. First of all, today we will do triangle law of vector addition. We will define what is it. We will do its analytical analysis and tomorrow we will do parallelogram law of vector addition. सबसे पहले I will tell you what is the triangle law of vector addition. अब triangle law में क्या है? If we represent two vectors A vector and B vector in magnitude and direction by two sides of the triangle. ये two sides of the triangle है OP and PQ and these two sides of a triangle represents A vector and B vector in magnitude and direction. Then the resultant of these two vectors is given by the third side of triangle taken in opposite order. Means if these two are taken in this order, जो third side है, it will be in the opposite order. It will start here and terminate here. So this is the triangle law of vector addition. Here R is the resultant which is equal to A vector plus B vector. Now we will do the analytical treatment. In analytical treatment, we have taken the two vectors A vector and B vector और ये जो दोनों वेक्टर हैं ये किससे रिप्रेजेंट हो रहे हैं? By two sides of the triangle and resultant is represented by the third side taken in the opposite order. अब opposite order कैसे हुआ? अब these are moving in anti-clockwise direction. ये वेक्टर इधर जा रहा है, ये वेक्टर इधर जा रहा है, तो इसकी क्या है डायरेक्शन? एंटी-क्लॉकवाइज. अगर वो सेम डायरेक्शन में होता so it should have originated from Q and ended at O, but ये क्या है? Opposite direction में, so it has started from O and ended to Q. अब हम इसमें क्या करेंगे? We draw a perpendicular here. We will take the right angle triangle Q and P और इसमें P Q N में हम क्या निकालेंगे? Value of sin theta and cos theta. ये आपने पढ़ा होगा in class 10th. What is उसमें हम निकाले थे PBP HHB से जो हमारा साइन है इट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज और जो हमारा कॉस है इट इज इक्वल टू बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो दिस इज द ट्रायंगल QN is the perpendicular, PN is the base and PQ is the hypotenuse. So sin theta will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is QN upon PQ, and cos theta will be equal to PN upon PQ, base upon hypotenuse. इसमें से you will calculate the value of QN and PN. After that we will take the full triangle O and Q and we will apply the Pythagoras theorem here. After applying the Pythagoras theorem we have OQ square is equal to ON square plus QN square. QN की वैल्यू आपके पास गिवन है PQ sin थीटा और ON की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? OP प्लस PN. OP आपके पास क्या है? A एंड PN आपके पास क्या है? PN की वैल्यू है PQ cos थीटा एंड PQ की वैल्यू क्या है? B. when you will substitute all these values, here you will have a plus b whole square. a plus b whole square की वैल्यू क्या होती है? a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. इसको आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे and you will get the value of resultant. OQ क्या है हमारा resultant? You will get the value of resultant, the magnitude of resultant as r is equal to under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, where theta is the angle between the two vectors. जो हमारे vectors हैं, if they are aligned at the angle theta, theta is the angle between the two vectors. We have found the magnitude of the two vectors. The magnitude of the two vectors came out to be r is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now we are going to find the direction of the resultant, because जो हमारा resultant है, it is also a vector and it also has a magnitude and a direction. Resultant का magnitude क्या आ गया? Under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and the direction of resultant is found from this, that let the resultant makes an angle beta with the vector a. तो tan beta, tan की वैल्यू क्या होती है? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. यहाँ पे ये परपेंडिकुलर है, ये बेस है. We will have, when we have find the value, we will get tan beta is equal to b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. तो यहाँ पे ये परपेंडिकुलर है qn. qn की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आई थी? b sin theta. एंड बेस क्या है यहाँ पे? on. on की वैल्यू क्या है? a vector plus pn, that is a plus b cos theta. Now we are going to solve a numerical. In this numerical, we have given that there are two vectors of equal magnitude and the resultant of the two vectors is equal to the magnitude of one of the vector. We have to find the angle between the two vectors. Here we have two vectors. We have taken two vectors, a vector and b vector. These two vectors are equal, so we take a vector p vector. एट जो सेकेंड थिंग है वो हमें क्या गिवन है कि जो रिजल्टेंट है उसकी वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है? द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वन ऑफ द वेक्टर. तो जो रिजल्टेंट होगा वो किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा? p के. तो हमें पता है व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द रिजल्टेंट. r इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab cos थीटा. यहाँ पे वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b एज p. वी विल गेट p स्क्वायर प्लस 2b स्क्वायर cos थीटा. अब यहाँ पे r की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या है? p. Substitute it here and we square both sides. p square and p square will cancel out. Here we will get 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Value of 1 plus cos theta is 1 by 2 and cos theta की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? minus 1 by 2 and minus cos minus 1 by 2 क्या होता है? At theta is equal to 120 degree. cos की वैल्यू क्या है? minus 1 by 2. So theta will come out to be 120 degree. That's all for today. आज हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? जो हमारा है ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, that is whenever two vectors are represented by two sides of the triangle, the resultant is given by the third side taken in the opposite order. उसके बाद हमने निकाला जो हमारा resultant होता है उसका magnitude which is equal to r is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. फिर हमने निकाली डायरेक्शन ऑफ द रिजल्टेंट. इट केम आउट टू बी tan बीटा इज इक्वल टू b sin थीटा अपॉन a प्लस b cos थीटा. उसके बाद हमने एक पढ़ा था आज कि whenever we multiply any real number with a vector, we get a new vector which is equal to the real number times the old vector.